updating your account details on ProtonVPN is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current and secure. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the ProtonVPN website and click on the Login button. Enter your username and password to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account or Settings section in the dashboard. This is usually found in a menu on the left side of the screen. Step 3. Select the details you want to update. Before changing your settings, use the /com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Enter new information. Input the new information in the provided fields. Make sure to double-check for any typos or errors to ensure accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your details, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure they are applied to your account. By following these steps, you can easily keep your ProtonVPN account details up to date. Regularly checking and updating your information helps maintain your account's security and functionality.